What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the beautiful city of Saly, Senegal. Y'all, if you are new here, it's your girl Tricuria, Try for short, doing all things poetry, lifestyle, and vlogging. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this weekend getaway to Saly, Senegal.
This year, swear we coming out strong. Don't hold back, gonna give it your all. Let go of mediocrity and step in greatness. Walk in your purpose, don't worry about the haters. They programming and lying to the youth, sabotaging and distorting the truth. A wagwan with the world, what's the mood tough? Keep coming for me sisters and me brothers. I feel some type of way, I'm praying for the better days. What happened to the healers, dreamers, and the visionaries? Protect your mind and spirit by all means necessary. Systematic governments, mental penitentiaries. Break the curse, break the ceilings, break the cycle. You the one, already know it's in the Bible. Royal priesthood, melanated like the Messiah. I always stay lit, fam, I'm on fire. It's your time now, gonna shine now. Don't give up, keep it up, on the right route. On the rise now, I'm talking right now. Haters hate, let them hate, then they lights down. It's your time now, gonna shine now. Don't give up, keep it up, on the right route. On the rise now, I'm talking right now. Haters hate, let them hate, then they lights down.
What's going on, y'all? So, if you know, you know, I live in Dakar, Senegal, and the city can be a little bit hectic at times. So, your girl needed to just get out of the city, get some fresh air, change up the scene, get out of the matrix a bit. So, I decided to take a little quick weekend trip to Saly, Senegal. Of course, you know, anywhere I go, I try to make it to the driving range. So I had to go to the driving range and get a couple swings in and get some practice in. I really am trying to take golf a little bit more seriously and at least go once a week. So, needless to say, your girl made it. When I tell y'all the temperature change from Dakar to Saly was crazy, like it was literally like 10 degrees hotter in Saly. But it was nice because I actually was able to like just feel comfortable and warm and not a little bit chilly as it can be in Dakar at times. So this is a tour of my Airbnb stay. The room was very cute and quaint and perfect for me for a night or two. So I was like, okay, I need to make it down to the pool, get some journaling in. And I have not been doing great with journaling these days, friends, but I'm gonna get back on it. But I do try to do it when I have some leisure time and, you know, when I just want to decompress. The pool area was so nice. I didn't actually get inside the pool because the sun was already setting at this time. So I was like, it's a little bit too cold, and really I knew that I wanted to take a walk on the beach the next morning. But get a load of this view. It was so tranquil, very calm and relaxing, and just what I needed. I really loved the nighttime scene of the outside sitting area with the pool. It's just giving like luxury, chill vibes. So the next morning I got up early and I wanted to go get some drone shots at the beach, y'all. So this is like my third time actually practicing flying my drone. And this is actually the first time in Senegal because there are so many restricted areas and places, so I'm not always comfortable flying it, but I thought the beach would be a great idea to try and get some beautiful content for you all. So I just wanted to first, relax, listen to some of the ocean waves, and, really like get my mind settled for going back into the work week. So, I put my feet in the water. Y'all, the water was cold. So, yeah, your girl did not end up like actually swimming and getting in, but that's okay. My feet touched the water and I was able to do a little bit of meditation as well. And I have heard that listening to the sound of ocean waves can literally like lower your cortisol levels. It can, release stress. So if you ever are near an ocean, or just put the sound on just so that you can get that calming meditative vibe. So here is takeoff. I want you all to sit and enjoy the views. So, as always, if you have made it to this point in the video, shout out to you. You are the real MVP. I hope that you enjoyed the beautiful views of Saly Senegal, my weekend getaway. Until next time, this is your girl Tricaria signing off. Peace.